Good day, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. This is your road trip. Ayan, meron tayong bicycle history naman. Ayan, this is your friendly neighborhood. Road trip tayo. Ayan nga. However, the base bicycle design can be traced back to 1493 when giant Giacomo Caprotti. Ayan ang in-invent niya na 1493. Another version was built in France in 1791. However, what many people consider that first practical bicycle was created in 1817 by Carl von Drais. Ayan na, German civil servant. Ayan po ang history ng ating bicycle. Ayan ang panorin guys natin kung paano na-invent ang bicycle. Ayan si Pierre Larenment, October 25, 1843. Ayan, Kirkpatrick Macmillan, Jacques Drabohet. Ayan, sila nag-invent, and Jan Kep Stockin. Ayan, September 2, 1812. Si Jacques naman na June 8, 1942 na-invent ang kanyang naturang bike. Pierre Mendaus, ayan, June 25, 1813. Ayan, si John Stanley, Japanese bike. Hanggang sa Japanese bike at na-invent niya. At ngayon ay lumaki ng lumaki at naging gumanda ang ating bike dahil sa kanila. Another version was built in France, ayan, 1791. Ayan na po, parang Japanese bike na sila, di ba? August Tour. Ayan, may mga event na rin pala nung 1791. Ayan, may mga karera na rin. Nagre-race na rin pala sila noon. And yun nga, yung racer bike, racing bike, ayan. Ayan, nagsimula ang mga racing at ang ating napagandang batalya, mga tentanyo.
The last time he was at
At naging
Rampage,
trail na rin
he got a
guys.
second place. That was 2019.
Ayan,
He's back
2019.
after a refresh,
Naging,
like you said.
tumibay ang ating
Coming
bike
back with
talaga.
so much more intensity.
Ginawa na sa
Won
trail.
Proving Grounds just a month ago
Ayan, oh.
on this similar bike setup he's been working on with Coleman Saul. Here we go, such a steep,
Napakahusay na
technical, vertical drop to start this out. He's got to control speed,
At
dive into that
ang
left-hand
ating,
berm. He does it clean.
We stood up there the other day, and it is
Ayan, mostly
terrifying.
Yes!
It was.
pang-exhibition na
he
rin yan.
gets the variation. Flat
Galing.
drop, backflip with one foot again, and then a tail whip up to the ridge. That gap is like
Kaya,
50 feet.
Napakagandang exercise
He's
talaga
got
ng bike.
another trickable drop coming
Lahat ng
up.
katawan
What's he
nyo
gonna choose?
ay gagana dyan.
360 to the
Wow,
right, stomped.
360.
Now this
Ayan
long
po
step down,
nanalo
he teleps it.
ang
No way, that's so high speed. I can't believe it came around so
last
smooth.
na nanalo sa ating
Now connecting on this
downhill.
step up left hip. The final trick of a drop here, an opposite 360 stomped. Wow, Brett Reader.
Ayan, panoorin nyo guys, nakapakalupit.
Oh, that was an insane
Ayan,
run.
good vibes ang lahat pag napapanood nyo yung ganyan
There's a reason that Brett
exhibition.
Reader was one of those people
Ayan,
people were talking about for the
maraming
podium.
salamat. At naging high-tech na. Ayan, baka 2024, ganyan na, high-tech. Ayan, may remote na tayo. Ayan, nagiging remote na. Ayan yung propeller niya sa likod. Ayan, naging high-tech. Ayan ang RD na tawag nila. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And thank you guys sa inyong lahat. And see you again sa ating next history ng ating ka-road trip. Ayan, maraming salamat sa support and pag hindi pa kayo naka-subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Ayan, thank you so much. See you again guys. Thank you, thank you.